In this video, I'll show you how to activate your Wise card. Step 1. Log into your Wise account. Go to wise.com and sign in with your credentials. I will leave a link to wise.com in the description down below. Step 2. Navigate to card settings. In your account dashboard, find the card section or manage card option. Step 3. Enter card details. Input the card name and any other required information from your physical Wise card. Step 4. Follow on-screen activation steps. Complete the activation process as guided, which may include confirming your identity or entering a verification code. Step 5. Confirmation of activation. Once activated, you will receive a confirmation. Your card is now ready for use. And that's how you activate your card, your Wise card. If you found this video helpful, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments.